I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of the knife, staying drunk on the ride. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we thought something so wild would be ordinary.